Hey folks, this is Bill from Little White Dory at the beginning of another video. I tell you, it's funny, I record more videos than I post, but sometimes I get around to the whole process. These are the first batch of tomatoes. They're doing fantastic. They're doing really well. We've got peppers growing. These are the ones that I think are doing best. These are the oldest at this point, and I think they happen to be in the best position. So we're going to be shuffling these guys over to some other spots today. We got other things just coming up. Some, so we can reach in there. Some herbs. Not sure which ones they are. This one not doing so much yet. We'll see what happens. Oh, wait, was that one on the end there? No, that's the wrong tree. And we got more tomatoes. More young tomatoes just starting to sprout. Some that are further along. More herbs, more peppers, but this is the bulk of what I've got going on right now, and these will be, I'm gonna have to start transplanting these things and figuring out what I'm gonna do with them. They look good. I'm happy. I don't know what I'll do entirely. I mean, as I kind of come down into here, you can see that there's a bit of a mess with the roots. You know, they're replanting into or reseeding, so they'll have to be broken up. Did a lot of that last year. And we got all our seeds kind of laid out over here, you know, what we're going to be doing next. We've just got things marked different ways. All right, let's head outside. Oh man, it's cold out here. What do you say, Gums? Gumbo's thinking, I should have stayed inside today. So we go out into the cold, make the girls out in the hens out in the coop happy. Get them some warm water with a little apple cider in it. At the moment, we're still trying to keep Gumbo out of the area around the chicken coop just to be sure we don't have problems. Folks, I might need two hands to do this. There we go. So, Gumbo, you gonna stay here? Huh? Stay there. He doesn't like to stay out there when I'm in here. He pushes his way in. And today shouldn't be any different than any other day, but maybe he'll make a liar out of me. We'll see. Hello, ladies. All right. Ooh, we got some frozen dishes here. Let's see. There we go. Got that. Put this all right, ladies, I hear you. Now today we have a little bit of a treat for them. It should be fun to watch. I like to sometimes break things up, but this I think is going to be something that they're all going to pick at. It's a piece of cheese. All right, ladies. You ready? Let me see where Gumbo is. Good boy, he's over there. All right, there we go. Get that on there. Hey, I guess I should go take a quick peek and see if anybody laid an egg early because it's chilly today and it would freeze. I was expecting one more egg, or I was hoping for one more egg yesterday from our little squeakers. Nope, nobody in there yet. Got water on the heated plate. It's good. It's a little light, we'll fill that up later. That one froze. They got fresh water here. Let's see, girls. I guess the only other thing you probably want is some high energy food. Yeah, so somebody's got the big chunk somewhere, but this is the, you know, go get a piece if you want. All right, girls. I'd love to stay and chat, but it's cold. I'm going in. No eggs inside. Let's see if we got anything on the door number 1 and 2. Let's see, put that there. And there it is. I was kind of expecting it to be an early bird because we were short one yesterday. If we would have had one more, we would have had 8. Yep, that was it. So she was just a little late in her day, but one of the Polish hens laid yesterday, and we've had 2 of them in the same day, so we know we're getting eggs out of both Polish hens. And it was just a matter of having to see. We got 7 eggs yesterday. This would have been 8. We have 9 chickens. The question is, who's not laying? Somebody's being lazy. All right, Gumbo. You don't go in here, right? You know better. There we go. Alrighty, folks. That's morning chores. Get the girls out. Get them some known fresh water. Then we can work from there. We have a cabbage that I'll come back out here later for, and I'll cut that up and give that to them. Oh, we got stuck. Oh, a piece of wood stuck on there. Alrighty, Gumbo. What's going on, huh? What you doing? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Stretch. Go ahead, stretch the other half too. There you go. All right, folks. On behalf of Bill, Little White Dory, and Gumbo, we say have a good day, and we're just the fun's just starting for us today. All right, no bites. All right, Gumbo. Bye bye.